All hail the Soviet Union!
Clones! I tried to be supportive, like the principal in High School Musical. But then you go all footloose, like in the film Can't Hardly Wait. From this day forward, all performances are banned. That includes the band. Now everyone disband. Why do I keep saying band? Everyone, get the fuck out! The play is over!
Angela, I'm not even going to do the challenge 'cause I'm mean. Well, you are kind of like a hater. The challenge is to open your mind to the truths. Here, I can do that 'cause I'm Circle, the nice friendly one. I am from Shape World. So are you doing it? No. Well, I need to do what I want instead of what you want. I see, no! How could you betray me like this? I'm scared. Oh, this little leaf on the ground must be scaring the happy world out of you.